Good stuff. TCL's Stylus 5G is another new budget phone with a pen. Well, shut the hell up. No way. I thought only Samsung was allowed pens in 2022. I thought Mo was the only one with a pen in 2022 with an ultra phone.
Yeah. I used the pen this morning.
Oh, really?
I love using the pen.
What exactly? What were you signing? Signing some documents?
No reason to use the pen.
Oh.
I just took it out and I was scrolling down reading articles.
Yeah.
There's something so business about it. Like you're doing what you're doing.
Work.
Yeah,
Getting
you're
things done.
I find I'm less likely to be distracted, less likely to jump into YouTube or Instagram because I got the pen. You're doing work here, bud.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is cool. Now they got a budget version of it.
Well, here's the thing, though. Here's the thing. You felt really special before because you were like, this is only for ultra types. You're like, I paid, what'd you pay for that?
What do you mean? I picked it up here.
Okay, what would you have paid for? Like $2,000 almost.
Right, yeah.
And then you're like a budget phone and they're getting a pen as well.
I don't mind. No, I think that this is good.
Which is good.
Which is good.
Okay.
I think everybody should have the pen.
2022, the year of the tiger, ... or the stylus. Ooh, edgy verge. Edgy verge. Okay, LG dropped out of the mobile market last year, yeah. Oh, they had devices with a stylus. I forgot about that. Just when it looked like Motorola was going to run the table with its Moto G stylus phones, TCL has announced a new device with a built-in stylus, aptly named Stylus 5G, available starting today.
Oh, wow.
MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chipset, 4 gigs RAM, 128 storage, 4,000 milliamp hour battery.
The price is $250.
$250 USD.
That's very cheap.
Well, that's not bad. That's like lunch for you, Willie Doo, when you go.
Is that true?
Yeah, it is. When he goes
Some caviar.
when he goes to the luxury tea room.
Which room is that? Where?
Yes, I knew you'd want to hear more.
Keep going. I'm interested.
Continue.
Where's the story going?
Continue. No, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. You kidding? You thought I knew what I was talking about? I've been here for years.
It's nice that there's an option now. It's cheaper, a lot cheaper, and you get a stylus.
Cheaper
there's not
with
many-
a stylus.
There's not many phones that do this now.
Well,
right?
they were just comparing it to the Motorola is apparently doing a stylus phone. And this is, I guess, competitive or a closer price point than what you have.
Yeah.
Because yours is like 10 times more money than this.
No, I know. It's not even comparable. Oh, look.
It's kind of rude, actually, walking around town with that thing.
How can I be Ultra Mo without the Ultra phone?
Well, I don't know. It's just you're making people upset, Mo. They're like, you got to pull. Are you pulling that thing out again?
Right.
With the stylus, come on.
Yeah. You're like, who, me? Oh. Yeah. I'm just using my phone.
Right.
No, you're not. You're just placing it on the table in front of me, beside my TCL stylus.
Over my phone.
Whoa, look at the pen.
Yeah.
This is Motorola.
That's Moto's.
Oh.
They got the Moto G stylus.
The tip is interesting.
And very slender. What'd you say?
Like the tip of the pen.
I mean, the whole thing.
Yeah.
It looks tiny.
This more looks like a pen. That more has like a round.
Are you pulling yours out again?
Yeah.
Holy.
Compared to
Mega flex.
TCLs?
Yeah. Listen, guys. Whatever floats your boat, whatever pokes your screen, it's up to you. Do it your way. Whether it's TCL, Moto, or if you're like Mo and you're heavy on the flex, could be the Ultra
Right.
S22 if you can pull it off.